None of this is stupid, but I think the endless focus on the Fed is a textbook case of, yep, let's bring it out again. This is lazy thinking. It's like when I was a reporter, they would look at the date book and they say, Jim, go cover a probe of the rackets. It's so easy for money managers to listen to the Fed governors or regional Fed presidents, then try to divine what they might say compared to what Jay Powell's been saying. Then you try to extrapolate whether Powell might change his mind and to what degree. It is the perfect parlor game. There's just one problem. All this close reading of remarks from various Fed heads makes you no money. It's chatter. You know what it's like? It's like the game of Clue. Chairman Powell in the library with the duct tape. No. Okay, so if it's all about the Fed, what do we care about? Let me give you my list, all right? If it's not the Fed, it's this. First off, I care about the state of the consumer. Now, this is the big earnings week for retailers. I think American consumers are like hot coals with Congress throwing gasoline on the Kingsfords. That would be very good for Clorox. So when we hear from Walmart, Lowe's, Home Depot, and Target, we have to hope that they aren't killjoys who equivocate by saying, who knows what the Delta variant will bring. I mean, that's kind of the reason why the stock of Airbnb, a company I absolutely love, got poleaxed. A simple, things look good. Would have been a lot better. So memo to retailers, when you report, say the consumer remains flush, we aren't concerned about the Fed, we look forward to more people returning to work, but they'll still be spending a lot of time at home, and there's plenty to do now that we know the home is really the office. You stick to that script, retailers, and you are home free. Oh, by the way, it has the added advantage of being true. Second, I care about how much Afghanistan actually matters. Did we just abandon an important ally that needed our help? Or did we abandon a sinking ship that was always going to be unsalvageable? Does the withdrawal matter to the rest of our foreign policy? Or was it ending a 20-year war of special circumstances? I don't know the answers. It's bad money. But it matters because we've got an important strategic ally in Taiwan, where a huge portion of our semiconductors are made. And China keeps putting more and more pressure on them. I don't see Taiwan giving in anytime soon. You know, their government is pretty hostile to the Chinese Communist Party. But if President Biden blinks, who knows what could happen? For the most part, the big money's betting that this won't matter. We know that because less expensive tech stocks didn't plummet, they went up. Apple was incredibly strong all day, all-time high, even as the semiconductor stocks did get hit, possibly due to the Taiwan connection. Own Apple, don't trade it, please. Third, the stock market's saying that the Delta variant can run its course, like it did in the United Kingdom or even India, where people either got vaccinated or they rapidly got infected. My fear is that this could be wishful thinking. We've got way too many anti-vaxxers who are fighting for the freedom to get sick. But Wall Street's shrugging off any restrictions as indoor activities, as though they'll definitely be short-lived. Thank heavens for Regeneron and the monoclonal antibody drip that gets you out of the hospital fast, not to mention the Binax Now test from Abbott that keeps you at home so you don't spread the virus, and that's very important.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.